10 Best Collagen-Rich Foods. Collagen is a protein composed primarily of amino acids, including glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. It functions as a glue to hold your body together, keeping your skin firm, joints flexible, and bones strong. Collagen production declines with age, causing wrinkles, sagging skin, joint pain, and weakening bones. This makes it critical to consume collagen through diet or supplementation to maintain healthy levels. Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in our bodies, giving shape, flexibility, and strength to our skin, hair, nails, joints, and connective tissues. While collagen pills are popular, you can also increase your collagen levels naturally through your diet. Certain foods contain collagen or nutrients that help with collagen formation, which promotes overall health and wellness. In this video, we'll explore some of the best foods that contain collagen and explain how they may benefit you. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the most popular collagen-rich foods. It is created by boiling animal bones, often from cows, chickens, or fish, in water for several hours to extract collagen, minerals, and other nutrients. The end product is a nutrient-dense drink rich in collagen, which can improve skin elasticity, joint health, and gastrointestinal function. Bone broth contains easily absorbable collagen, making it one of the greatest natural ways to enhance collagen levels. Bone broth can be used as an ingredient for soups and stews, or just consumed on its own for a collagen-rich snack. 2. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants, which help protect your skin's collagen from free radical damage. They're also high in vitamin C, which promotes collagen formation. Berries can be enjoyed as a healthy snack, added to smoothies, or topped with yogurt or oatmeal to help your skin's collagen levels. 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, making them ideal for increasing your body's natural collagen production. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen formation because it helps stabilize collagen molecules and facilitates in the conversion of proline into hydroxyproline, which is a crucial component of collagen. Adding citrus fruits in your diet can help maintain your skin firm and elegant. They can be eaten on their own, added to salads, or used to flavor water. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard contain chlorophyll, which has antioxidant properties that protect collagen from disintegration. These vegetables are also rich in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production. Adding leafy greens in your diet can help you maintain healthy skin and joints. For a quick collagen boost, add them to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. 5. Seeds and nuts. Seeds and nuts, especially sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and almonds, are high in vitamin E, which helps to protect collagen from oxidative stress. They contain healthy fats and amino acids, which aid in skin elasticity and hydration. Sprinkle nuts and seeds on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal to increase your consumption of collagen-supporting nutrients. 6. Garlic. Garlic contains an important sulfur components that aid in collagen formation. Sulfur serves as the structural foundation for the formation of collagen fibers present in connective tissues. Garlic also helps to prevent oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can destroy collagen. It exhibits antibacterial properties that protect skin from germs. Crush garlic and use it to sauces, soups, and stir-fries. 7. Green tea. Green tea contains epigallocatechin and gallate egg, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from UVB radiation that destroy collagen. Research on animals show that egg inhibits the enzyme activity that breaks down collagen. Drinking green tea every day hydrates and promotes vibrant, flawless skin. Make a cup of organic green tea daily. 8. Salmon. Salmon contains anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which help prevent collagen degradation. It also contains vitamin E, which aids with collagen formation. Salmon includes antioxidants astaxanthin and lycopene, which provide sun protection. Salmon protein contains amino acids required to make collagen. 9. Avocados. Avocados contain skin-nourishing vitamin E, which aids in collagen formation. They are full of beneficial fats that promote smooth, supple skin. Avocado's carotenoid antioxidants, such as zeaxanthin, have been shown to protect skin against UV-induced collagen damage. 10. Egg whites. Egg whites are rich in proline, one of the primary amino acids necessary for collagen production. Proline plays a crucial role in maintaining skin texture, wound healing, and tissue repair. Including egg whites in your diet can provide your body with the building blocks it needs to produce more collagen. You can enjoy them in a variety of ways, from scrambled eggs to omelets or simply adding them to your favorite recipes. Eating foods rich in collagen or those that support collagen production can help improve your skin, strengthen your joints, and promote overall health. Bone broth, chicken, fish, and eggs are excellent sources of collagen, while citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, and nuts provide the vitamins and minerals needed to produce collagen naturally. By including these foods in your diet, you can enhance your body's collagen levels, leading to healthier skin, joints, and bones. Please subscribe, like, and share. Let's live healthy together.